Hi, I'm Jeff Clift, Dealer Program and Training Manager here at Organized Living and your host of Installer's Corner. Today we're going to be covering 5 tips for successful installation of Classica corner radius shelves. Classica radius shelves are an excellent addition to any closet, wrapping corners and providing your customers with elevated look and function to their closet. Let's get started.
Tip 1. Before getting started with radius shelves, it's important to remember that radius shelves are trimmed to fit, as the length between the supporting sections cannot exceed 32 inches or be less than 21.5 inches. Always make sure to review your strongware drawing and field measure to confirm dimensions before beginning installation. Tip number 2. Before installing radius shelves, install your supporting cabinet sections plumb and level with a high degree of accuracy. Throughout your cabinet section and panel installation, continually check that supporting components are level with each other. Since corner shelves rely on 3 points of support, any out of level section can result in shelves that are not seated or supported correctly. Tip number 3. When determining trim to length, use a Scribe cut to your advantage to simplify a multi-shelf installation. Begin at the top of your corner section and align the front of the radius shelf with the front of the perpendicular panels and mark a scribe line on both sides of the shelf. Cut the shelf along the scribe lines and test fit the shelf in various locations of your corner. This test fitting will help determine which additional shelves can be cut to the scribe dimensions, and which shelves, if any, need to be adjusted prior to cutting based on their location in the corner section. Tip number 4. If any of your corner radius shelves are too tight upon installation, or once installed the shelf does not align with the front of your supporting panels, use small increments, such as 1/4 inch, to adjust the right and left lengths of the shelf. Cut along these new cut lines and reinstall your shelf, and if necessary, repeat this process. This will help avoid overcutting, which can result in a shelf that cannot be installed. Tip number 5. The final tip is to ensure that you have proper tools on hand to simplify shelf cutting. A circular saw with a laminate blade and a cutting jig will help ensure that your cuts are consistent and accurate, reducing chances of error. To learn more about how to make a custom cutting jig, visit our installation page for more information.
We really think your customers are going to love Classica corner radius shelves and the style and functionality that they provide. As always, should you have any questions, please reach out to your dealer support specialist, and I look forward to you joining me on an upcoming episode of Installer's Corner.